You probably use AI every single day without even realizing it. Hi there, I'm Professor Pawz, and today I'm going to explain what AI really is. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. But what does that actually mean? Simply put, AI is when computers learn from lots of information so they can recognize patterns, answer questions, and make useful guesses. Like when your Photos app recognizes your friends, or when translation apps understand different languages. But here's the thing, AI isn't magic, and it's not a human mind. Let me show you how AI learns patterns. Imagine we want to teach a computer the difference between cats and dogs. We show it thousands of pictures of cats and dogs. After seeing all these examples, it learns the patterns and can guess what new animals are. So why do people use AI? It helps us with learning, creativity, staying organized, and building helpful tools. From study apps that adapt to how you learn, to tools that help artists create, to apps that keep your life organized. So remember, AI is just computers learning from information to recognize patterns and help us solve problems. Now I'm curious, if you could build any AI tool, what would it do? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for learning with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more explanations.